In today's video, we're going to talk about how Vin Diesel spent $250 million. Before we start, I would want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Number 10. Trailer home. Covered in gold and thought to have cost Vin Diesel $1.1 million. This home allows the star complete privacy on the set of any movie he's filming or directing. The trailer is on the same scale as some of the other stars in the movie industry who have had the same idea, such as Will Smith and Mariah Carey. Windows run the length of the vehicle. On the top and the outside is fitted with both a satellite dish and high-tech security camera system to keep people away. Number 9. 1993 Mazda RX-7. There's going to be a lot of cars in this list, as Vin Diesel is very much a car kind of guy. And the first in our adventure is his 1993 Mazda RX-7. Number 8. Hollywood Hills home. Vin Diesel has now sold his home in the Hollywood Hills. However, after owning it for 16 years, the $1.4 million price tag seems well worth it. He originally rented the home out for $5,800 per month while he was not living in it, and while home is no mega mansion, it has a contemporary vibe and plenty of indoor and outdoor living spaces. The master suite in the home has beamed ceilings and French doors, along with a bath complete with a sunken tub, and the outside has a patio area by the pool. The home features an area living and dining space with a separate den attached. Number 7. 1970 Dodge Charger RT. Powering in at number 7 is the 1970 Dodge Charger RT, which features a manual 4-speed gearbox and a 0 to 60 miles per hour speed of 5.1 seconds. The car can reach a top speed, 220 kilometers per hour, and also featured in the Fast and the Furious, Fast 5, Fast and the Furious 6, and Fast 7. At the time of production, the car had a base price of around $4,360. However, today, you will need to cough up a rather decent price, between $99,000 and $139,000 for the mint condition models. Number 6. Atlanta house. In what is clearly one of his biggest purchases ever, this 11,900 square foot 5-bedroom, 7-bathroom estate has everything the Fast and the Furious star needs to live like a king. The estate features a wine cellar, 11-person dining room, pool, and a fully customized gymnasium that allows the star to keep in shape for his movies. It's thought the home rents for around $30,000 a month and was valued at around $3.3 million. The house has a bar and entertaining space on the outside, along with 4 patios, outdoor kitchen, large swimming pool, rooftop deck, and a 3-car garage. Number 5. 1970 Plymouth ROADRUNNER. Another major car in the Fast and the Furious movie series, the 1970 Plymouth ROADRUNNER featured in both Tokyo Drift, 2009's Fast and the Furious, Fast 6, and Fast 7, albeit with different cars. The cars were produced between 1968 to 1980, are classed as muscle cars, and are similar to the Plymouth Barracuda style of car. 0 to 60 can be achieved in around 5.5 seconds, thanks to the 7-liter Hemi V8 engine. Number 4. 2014 LYKAN HYPERSPORT. Vin Diesel's 2014 LYKAN HYPERSPORT features a 3.7-liter twin-turbo flat-6 engine, comes with a pretty hefty price tag of around $3.4 million, and has a curb weight of 1,380 kilograms. Number 3. 1973 Chevy CAMERO F-Bomb. One of the movie cars built just for filming, and piloted by Vin Diesel himself, this car is based on the original F-Bomb and had a 1,500 horsepower twin-turbo V8 engine. This car was recently sold for $39,998, is fully functional, and is capable of being driven on the street with the actual engine being a 350 horsepower V8. While this car is not the original, the new owner can say that Vin Diesel not only owned the car, but drove it in the movies as well. Number 2. Gulfstream G200. Formerly known as the IAI Galaxy, the Gulfstream G200 is a twin-engine business jet that was designed originally by Israel Aerospace Industries and was produced for Gulfstream Aerospace from 1999 through 2011. The Gulfstream G200 allows Vin Diesel the ability to travel across the world to his filming locations with both privacy and speed. Number 1. 2011 Dodge Charger SRT8. Coming in with a base price of around $46,000, the 470 horsepower 2011 Dodge Charger SRT8 is no surprise owned by car enthusiast Vin Diesel. This car can make the quarter mile in 12.9 seconds at 114 miles per hour, which is no surprise thanks to the 6.1-liter pushrod, 16-valve V8 engine. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing video from us.